Balik ta diri sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso ug subay ning bag-ong tuig. Sayran usab nato ang mga latest fashion trends ug ang color of the year pinaagi sa usa ka inilang Cebuano Fashion Designer dinhi si Dexter Alazas. Good morning Sir Dexter ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Pakigreet ang ato ang mga kapuso.
Hi, good morning, Ms. Luan, and good morning to GMA Regional Network TV Live. And thanks for having me today, and Happy New Year to everyone.
So, kinagyug ka, sir, sa GMA Regional TV Live. And first of all, sir, ang color of the year, Pantone color of the year is peach fuzz. So, unsay pasabot aning kuan, sir? Peach fuzz. Sa mga wala masayod, sir, ha? Unsa ni siya nga color? Ug unsay pasabot ni ini alang sa fashion?
Yeah, so basically, that's Pantone's color forecast for 2024. In terms of what it's all about, it's very, it's actually very open. It's pleasing to the eyes, and at the same time, it's very welcoming. So it has a warm embrace, and it's very engaging. And for the color, it's soft in the eyes. So in terms of fashion, it's also related to the other fashion trends, which is like the millennial pink, something like that. So there's pinks everywhere in the trend for 2024. So the peach fuzz is really something that, you know, after Viva Magenta last year, this year it's more soft, it's more embracing, it's very warm. So it's really good for fashion to really embrace this color palette this year.
So mura siya, ang iyang shades are mura in between sa pink and orange, velvety, marina sir?
Yes, kind of like that. Yeah, so pink, orange, and a peach. So murag apricot.
Okay. But kining kolora sir mo bagay ba ni sa ato ang Filipino complexion, sa ato ang pamanit isip mga Pinoy?
Yeah. Actually, well, the Filipinos are really, it's either you're morena or you're mestiza. So basically, if there's a lighter shade of pink or peach that you're wearing, it reflects also on your face. And your complexion with Filipino complexion is really actually suitable for this, especially what you're wearing now. It's a shade of pink as well. So it lightens up your face, it makes you glow. So it's better that we wear something more pastel like this one, but at the same time, it creates that warm glow on your skin. So Filipinos are definitely okay, Ani.
Okay. Kining peach fuzz, bagay ra ba man ni? Mapapabay man o malalaki?
Yes, definitely, because femininity now is like all over. So it's really also one of the trends now. It's ultra feminine, but men are also not exempted in wearing shades of peach or pink. And it's one of those colors that makes you also really not just glow, but makes you more soft and not so strong. So if men want to really have that emotional side of them, it's really soft and open, then peach fuzz is one of those colors.
Arita sir, sa mga style na sad sa pananina karong tuiga, unsa naman say mauso karong tuiga 2024?
There's a lot of mga trends that are out now in the forecast, but one of those is like this polished preppy. So basically, it's like mura siya og polo shirts, button downs paired with skirts or pants. It's really like what we call polished preppy. So it's really clean looking. It's safe, but at the same time, there's also what we call as quiet luxury. Okay. So it's more of those colors and styles that don't really spell out or speak out about logos, but maybe tone it down into more softer and then plain colors. So basically, that quiet luxury is also a trend. But also at the same time, in terms of color, there's also that, once again, that peach fuzz, shades of pink also is really in. But ultra feminine is really good. So there's also a resurgence of kind of mga ballet flats. So that's why my latest collection, I created more soft skirts also to match with the ballet flats. It's a trend this year actually. And of course, sustainability is also a trend. So we'd still like people to really encourage them to, you know, be sustainable in terms of fashion. Maybe they can also upcycle the things that they wore years ago and make it look like current this year.
Mauso pa ba sir for the ladies? Mauso pa ba ning mga puff sleeves? Ug unsa pa diha kaning mga long dresses for this year?
Definitely, it's puff sleeves are still in, ultra feminine is still in, because even mga bows and ribbons are really back. So it's back in the 90s, but at the same time, nagyapon siya femininity na touch to it. So it's really, really back to polished and quite luxury.
Okay. Isip po sa ka-fashion designer, sir, kinahanglan ba gyud nga makiuso ta kunon sa uso? Sa mga, in terms of
Well,
fashion?
as a fashion designer, yes, my advice also to my clients actually is really stick to the styles that works for you, because we have different skin tones, we have different what you call that body types. So basically, what works for you is really something very comfortable and suits your body, but it's not also it's also nice to follow a little trend or so. But each designer also have their own signature style. So when you come to a designer, you go there because you want that design from that certain designer. And then, of course, you can inject your own idea. But then again, it's like a two-way process. So what you like and what the designer also likes, you blend it together. So basically, that's how we can advise people to do something in their fashion this year.
Okay, daghan kayong salamat, Dexter Alazas, sa oras nga imong gihatag kanamo karong buntaga.
Thank you so much, and God bless, and Happy New Year, everyone.
Ug mga kapuso, mobalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.